Hello guys, welcome to my channel. And today I'm gonna show you how to get free mine coins in Minecraft. So you're gonna first go to marketplace and go to search and go here and press price low to high. And this is all the free things you will get from the price low to high. Grow skin, young grew, in Sub-Zero, marine biologist, and this is all the free things in the marketplace. So this is the second thing you need to go to get free items from the marketplace. Go to view gift. So if you go to view gift, you will have this 15 days reward from Mojang. I've been here for 8 days now, and I had this crafting table head and the Enderhood, Emerald Expert, Redstone Coat, and Toe Guardian, and this llama hat. So if you guys want to get free, if you want to get free things or mask or skin, whatever, so you need to get this what I taught you to. So this is all guys. So bye bye.